The court remanded them yesterday. The court remanded them yesterday. So these are the remnants. So far, we have arrested many of them. Some of them are here. About 300 of them already in the prison since yesterday. We want to clean the city because we have seen that some of them, in the disguise that they are Baban Bolas or pickers, they end up robbing the house and vicinity of where they have gone. When you leave your house, before you come in, a lot of your things will be missing. If you know what to recover from them, generators, you can see their knives, their equipments. In Zuba, we recovered 2 guns from Baban Bola group in Zuba. And all people's household equipments were recovered from them. So they are not ordinary. Many of them are not even Nigerians. But we are going to do our best to ensure safety of every household in FCT. It's the beginning of the cleansing. It's the beginning of the cleansing. 300 of them have been remanded yesterday. These are the remnants. The fight continues until the city is clean and clear of criminal elements and activities. We are going to do what police can do. We are not going to do what court can do. Our duty is to keep them off the road. If they like, let them go to court 10 times. We'll continue taking them to the court. One day, even we and the court will be tired of seeing them. Yesterday, the magistrate reminded them, and we would have taken them to prison. Yeah, they are there. So we are going to take this people equally there. Everybody is involved in the fight to clean this city. You can see what we will recover from them. Who will believe that this is Baban Bola, pickers? So that is the fight. In any disguise they come in from, we are ready for them. I want to assure you that is a continuous fight, like I said, to cleanse the city of this type of people. You should go back from where they come from. That's what I've been telling them. Once you are in FCT, you don't have a place you reside. You feel that by turning yourself into a criminal, whether big or small, that you are going to earn your living. It is no longer business as usual. Thank you so much.
Were they all arrested at the scene of crime? Or?
All of them were arrested at the scene of crime. See their kaya there. Some of their kayas are not here. We couldn't bring all. Are they denying? They are not denying now.
So what is the update on the case involving scavengers that led to a loss of life? What's the update?
It's under control, absolutely.
Okay. How about the discrepancy in the information surrounding the Dawaki adoption?
There's no discrepancy. We have taken our stand on the matter and we are together on it.
Any rescue?
We have already finished that matter.
You say you are taking your stand. What is the stand now? Is it that nobody is still in captivity?
I said we have taken a stand on the matter. Any person who did not see his person should come and report to the police. We have not seen people so far, but we're expecting anybody. So it's not a question of reporting to the press. I say report to the police.
Is there any update about Benneth?
I don't know if there's, apart from what I said to you before, I don't know if there's anything again happening in Bennett.
Away from this.
The stand is we are still investigating it now. We have a lot of witnesses, so we cannot stop the witnesses from saying what they know. So if eventually investigation finishes and he killed the wife, we charge him immediately. We are still investigating the witnesses, and the witnesses has come up to testify in one of two things they know. So that's why we are still with the man.